Let me show you how you can analyze customers' feedback and send them automated emails according to their feedback. So right here I have filled this form of customer feedback having the name of the user or the customer, email address, the overall rating, and what they like most about the service and the improvement to be made. Now let's submit this form, and here you can see that my form has been successfully submitted. Now let's move on towards my Gmail account to see whether we are receiving an email over there or not. So right here I'm on my Gmail account, which I'm going to refresh. So right here you can see that we are getting this email which says thank you for your valuable feedback, and right here we are getting the same name, that is smart user, which we have just filled over our Google form. And right here you can check out that this is the email and the content of the email is generated by my OpenAI. So now you don't have to manually type the email, check for your customers feedback and send them emails according to their feedback, because this automation is going to do so. So now let me show you how you can also create this amazing automation by using one and only automation tool, that is Pabbly Connect. So by using Pabbly Connect, you can integrate varieties of applications and automate your entire business task. And by using Pabbly Connect, you can integrate many more amazing applications for automating your business task. And not only these applications, you can also use Google Sheet, WhatsApp, and many more amazing thousands of applications. So now let's move on towards the workflow page for creating this automation to analyzing your customers' feedback and sending them automated emails using AI. So right here I'm on the workflow page of Pabbly Connect, which you can get by typing its URL over the new tab, that is pabbly.com/connect. And once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly, where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging account over the Pabbly Connect first time, then you can just click over this sign up free. And if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Connect, you get 100 free tasks every month for practicing and exploring Pabbly Connect. Means you are getting a chance for testing and creating this automation for freely inside Pabbly Connect. But if you are an existing user, then you can just click over this sign in. And if you like this automation and want to create it for your business too, then I have bought this amazing offer for you. So right on the screen, you can see this discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. And this coupon code is going to provide you the heaviest discount compared to other coupon codes. So make sure to use it. Now let's move on towards the workflow page, where we are getting this option for adding the triggers. So triggers are first application or the application which is going to initiate our workflow. So in this case, I want to initiate my workflow as soon as I receive a new form submission over my Google form. So here I will be selecting my trigger application as Google Forms, which can be seen over here. Now let's select the app event as new response received. Now let's click over this connect button. And right here we are getting this webhook URL with the steps for adding it. So this webhook URL will help us to build the connection between Google Forms and Pabbly Connect, so that as soon as I receive a new customer feedback, the response can be automatically fetched by Pabbly Connect. So now let's copy it, and now let's move on towards my Google form. So right here I'm on my Google form, where you just have to move towards the responses, and you will be getting this option for view in sheets or link to sheets, which you have to select. And now here we are on the Google Sheet, which is the native integration of the Google form. Now for adding the webhook URL, you just have to move over the extensions, select add-ons and select get add-ons. And you will be landed to the Google Workspace Marketplace, where you have to search for the app that is Pabbly Connect Webhooks. So right here you can see that we are getting this application which is already installed. So make sure to firstly install it, and afterwards again you have to go towards extensions, and right here we are getting this option for Pabbly Connect Webhooks, where you have to select this initial setup. And you will be getting this initial setup dialog box, where you have to add the webhook URL which you have just received, and here you have to enter the trigger column, means the last data column of your Google Sheet. So right here you can see that this is the last data column, that is F. So here I'm going to enter it as F. Now we just have to submit it, and here you can see that my setup has been configured successfully. Now we just have to send a test data to the Pabbly Connect. And for that, you have to firstly fill this Google form. So here I'm going to copy its link, paste over the new tab, and get my Google form, which I'm going to fill again. So here I have filled this customer's feedback form, providing the name of the user as test user, email, overall rating, and right here I have provided my feedback. Now let's submit it, and right here this form has been successfully submitted, and here on my Google Sheet I'm successfully receiving the data which I have just filled over my Google form, as this is the native integration of the Google form. Now we are having the data. Now we just have to send this test data to the Pabbly Connect. So right here I'm going to just click over this send test, and here you can see that my test data has been sent successfully. So now let's move on towards the Pabbly Connect and check for this data. So right here I'm on my Pabbly Connect, where you can see 1 second ago we have received this response, and this response consists of all the fields which we have just filled. So as we have received the response, we are going to generate an automated email by using AI for this particular feedback. But before that, you have to move towards the Google Sheet, and here on the extensions on the Pabbly Connect webhooks, you have to enable this send on event, so that you don't have to send the test data again and again to the Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect can automatically fetch it. And now here I'm going to use my first action application as OpenAI or the Chat GPT, by using which I'm going to generate the email content according to my customers' feedback. Now let's select the app event as Chat GPT. Now let's build the connection. And right here we're on the connection page, where if you want to build a new connection, then you have to select this button, and here you have to enter the token. So for getting the token, you have to visit this OpenAI API's key page given over the help desk. And right here we are on this page, where you just have to click over this create new secret key button, and here you have to provide the name and the project name, and your API key will be created. And right now I already have my API key, so I'm going to just enter it. So right here I have entered it. Now let's save it, and here you can see that my connection has been built in. And now here I'm going to select my AI model as GPT-5. So right here you can see that I'm getting this AI model which I have selected. Now we have to enter the prompt. So prompt is basically the set of the rules or the instructions which we are going to provide to our AI, and according to that it is going to generate the response. So here I'm going to provide the prompt, means the set of the rules or the instructions. So right here I have provided this prompt to my AI, and here after this word name, I'm going to enter the name of the user or the customer which has just submitted the customer feedback form. And here for that you might be thinking that I'm going to manually type it like this. But no, here I'm going to perform a method that is mapping provided by Pabbly Connect, by using which we are going to map all these details. And mapping will make these fields dynamic, means we don't have to change the values again and again. The fields will be automatically replaced as the new form submission will be received. And the process of mapping is simple. You just have to select the field and the slash symbol, and right here we are getting a previous application, that is Google Forms. So from its response I'm going to map the name of the user. So here I have mapped it. Now here I'm going to map the rating provided by my user. So right here I'm getting the rating which I have mapped, and now here I'm going to map what my customer liked the most. So here I have mapped it, and now let's map the suggested improvement. So here I'm going to map it again, and now these fields are dynamic, means these are going to replace with every new single form submission received. And now we just have to click over the save and send test request for receiving the email content, and now let's wait for the response. So right here you can see that we are receiving this response, and this response consists of the email content generated by my OpenAI. So right here you can see that this is the email content, and this is exactly based on my user's rating and its feedback. So now you can also analyze your customers' feedback and provide them the response automatically, and that will help your customers to keep engaged with your business. And now we just have to send this email to this particular customer. So for that I'm going to use my another action application, that is going to be the Gmail. Now let's select the app event as send email and click over this connect button. And right here we are on this connection page, where if you want to build a new connection, then you have to sign up with your Google account. But I'm going to use my existing connection. Now let's save it, and right here you can see that the connection has been built in. And here I'm going to enter my sender's name as XYZ, which is the name of my business. Now here for this field, that is sender's email address, you can either enter your email address or your business email address. Now for this field, that is recipient's email address, I'm going to map it from the response of this customer's feedback form. And now here we are getting these fields, that is for the CC and BCC. So you can provide the CC and BCC over here. Now let's enter the email subject. So here I have provided this email subject. Now for the email content, I'm going to use the content provided by my OpenAI. So here I have mapped it, and now we are getting this field that is for the email content type, which you can either select as plain or HTML. Now we just have to click over the save and send test request, and here you can see that we are receiving this positive response. So now let's move on towards my Google account and check for this email. So right here I'm on my Google account, where you can see that I'm successfully receiving this email having the same subject, that is thank you for your valuable feedback. And right here I'm getting the same name of the user, and here you can see this is the email content generated by my OpenAI according to my customers feedback, which mentions their rating, that is a 4-star rating. And here you can check out all these details. So now you can also create this amazing automation to keep your customers engaged with your business by just using Pabbly Connect. And as you have seen, you don't require any coding or technical skills for creating this automation. As here we are analyzing the customer's feedback using ChatGPT, you just have to provide the prompt, and this will automatically generate the content, and we can send it automatically by using the integration of the applications using Pabbly Connect. So now what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Connect, and I have provided the link of the workflow which I have just created in the description box. So make sure to check it out, and don't forget to use the coupon code STUYT. So thank you for watching this video.
Not only this integration, you can build many more amazing automations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to explore pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then like, share and subscribe our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.